Clear answers, smart options. RichmondCustomHomes.com. A home inspection is an important step in the home buying process that helps you understand the true condition of a property. During the inspection, a licensed home inspector carefully evaluates the major systems and structure of the home. This includes the roof, foundation, plumbing, electrical systems, heating and cooling, and overall structural integrity. The inspector also checks for potential issues like water damage, safety concerns, or aging components that may need repair or replacement. After the inspection, you'll receive a detailed report outlining the condition of the home and highlighting any problems discovered during the evaluation. This information gives buyers the opportunity to request repairs, renegotiate the price, or move forward with confidence. A thorough home inspection helps ensure there are no major surprises after you purchase the property. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmall.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.